Okay, so I have a really good question. Why would you have an aquaponics system over a soil-based garden? I'm just going to put a caveat here. I actually have soil-based gardens throughout my front and backyard. Okay, and I use it for the vegetables that are going to take longer to grow. So, for instance, my turmeric takes 9 months to grow. So I keep that in my wicking beds, whereas things that are within my aquaponics system or my larger aquaponics system over there will grow a lot faster being in an aquaponic system. So this coriander, it's only a couple of weeks since I've popped it in. Okay, so it doesn't take long for things to really kick in and grow. Food within your aquaponic system, because it has the constant water and the constant nutrients, actually grows at least 4 times faster. Some people are saying 10 times faster. Now, I can only speak from experience. Now, my biggest system that was fully established and was, running for actually only about 6 months, I popped some basil in there, and it was from seedling stage through to harvest, and it was like 3 weeks for me. But that was for me, okay? I know it will grow a lot faster, but with the constant fertilizer and the constant nutrients, your plants aren't relying on things from nature to kick in. When it rains, awesome, we can also have flooding, which can damage our gardens. But otherwise, you've got to remember to water your system. Water your veggie gardens. You've got to make sure that you do put fertilizer there, that you do put compost there, that you do extra work, which is all definitely a good idea. But you could have a small little barrel aquaponic system and have everything growing really, really quickly just outside your back door. You can see, that's my door there. Right there, you can have it there, and you can just send the kids out to harvest some coriander, some basil, some thyme, things like that. So why aquaponics over soil? It grows faster. Okay, you do still have pests, but you have less pests, but it will grow faster. And especially if you're in an area where there are water restrictions, you don't have to worry about, are my veggies getting enough water, because they're in a recycling system, so they've constantly got that water happening. Faster growing food in a smaller system where you can grow more, you know what, I'm all for that. That works for me.